Hey Van Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be on this beautiful kinky curly hair with the 4C edges. Okay, I've been wanting to try this out for a long time, so I'm excited. Okay, so this unit is from Beautyforever hair. This is my first time working with this company. And all the years that I have been doing YouTube, this is the first time I'm working with this company, so I was very excited. And I think this wig is just gorgeous. It's given very much so realistic diva. It looks natural, like it looks like natural hair. Love it so much. So this one is for my girls who want the kinky look. We're gonna do an unboxing and then I'm gonna get into my install, which is really quick, and we'll come back and give you all the specs. So today's wig is from Beautyforever. It came inside of this red box. Inside was a bag of goodies that contain a nude HD wig cap, faux lashes, a retractable makeup brush, a leopard melting band, a pamphlet, another HD nude wig cap, another melting band, as well as wig tape. This is the unit. It is the Kinky Curly 13x4 lace front wig. It is 150% density, and it does have those 4C realistic kinky edges. As you can see, that looks so realistic, it's not even funny. And the curl pattern on this unit is gorgeous. Inside it has adjustable straps as well as an elastic band and 3 combs. So I am back and the wig is washed, and this is what it looks like. It is so freaking pretty. I did put the adjustable strap on really tight, so I did have, like, you know, kind of a hard time putting the wig all the way on my head, but I didn't want to stop there because honestly I like my wigs to be tight where it can't move, especially because this one isn't a closure, it is the whole lace front, and I didn't want to add glue and sit there blow drying for hours or minutes, whatever. So I wanted to keep it simple. I added a little bit of my powder to my parting space so you can see it. I do have a C part, and all I did was take a small brush and just apply that powder to the parting space so that you could see it, because before you couldn't see it. I also just hot combed it at the root just a little bit, just so that it will be a little bit flatter. I didn't want it to start off curly. I needed that little bit of flatness. To me, it just looks better this way, so that's what I did. Now I'm just playing with it to see what I want to do. As you can see, some of those kinky edges were out, so I did want to just kind of like play with it a little bit, but I didn't have any edge control left, so all I did was just swooped it with some spray. Alright, so now I'm going to spray the 2 tabs next to my ear, and I'm going to blow dry it just a little bit. It's going to be really quick and easy, like 5 seconds. I really didn't go crazy with this part because you're not even going to see it, honestly, because my hair is really big. So this was a quick tutorial, and just like that, I am done. Okay, so I'm back, and I was nervous when I saw how big the hair was, but girl, it's giving diva, it's giving realistic. It is just so beautiful. This unit is very full, and it is just life. It is giving me life, okay? It's giving me life. All right, so this is from Beautyforever hair. This is their Kinky Curly with the 4C realistic baby hairs. Like the edges are 4C as well. Let me come up front so you can see. I did not do any baby hairs today. This is the baby hairs, okay? And I did just like, you know, swoop it a little bit. It looks super duper natural along the hairline. That's what I love. And you don't have to do a lot. For this to be a 13x4 lace frontal, girl, y'all saw I didn't even have to use any spray or anything to lay it down, because after I put the adjustable straps on, sis, I put them on to the point where like I could barely move the wig. So that was me. I should have definitely let it out a little bit, but it is so secure. It's not going to move at all. Like, it's not moving. It's not going. My head, it don't move. Like, it don't move, okay? Like, you're not getting this off my head unless you literally pull my unit off. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal, so you do get some good parting space. Like, I can part it anywhere along the hairline, and I had to go for the C part, especially with this hair being so big. I had to go for the C part. Also, this unit is 24 inches, and it may seem short, but once you, like, you know, pull it, it literally comes to the middle of my tummy. In the back, it comes to the middle of my butt, so this hair is really, really long. It does look frizzy a little bit, and this is freshly washed. But if you want a more defined curl, I would definitely recommend that you use some type of leave-in product for curly hair, as well as using a diffuser that will definitely define the curls. This is more for like a realistic afro type of look, and I just love it. I switched it up, and I think this looks really, really pretty. I'm very impressed with this unit. For it to be this full, I haven't been experiencing any type of shedding, any type of tangling, none of that. The hair is like this and it stays like this, so it is very low maintenance. If you do want it to be in this like type of like kinky style, you won't need to do your hair every day. As far as washing it every day, it's really up to you. But curly hair routine, I would definitely recommend maybe every 3 to 4 days, because like I said, it's really low maintenance. You don't even have to glue it down, as you saw. I did use a little bit of spray just because I didn't have any more edge control, but I really didn't need edge control because with these kinky edges, you don't have to use it. Like, it just looks good on its own. So yeah, that is pretty much everything for this hair. I will be answering questions in the comments. If you have any questions for me, just let me know. I think this unit is amazing. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. If you're someone who likes a more natural look, very low maintenance, I would definitely recommend it. It just looks very natural. It looks like my natural hair blown out. I just love it so much. It is so pretty, very different for me, but I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna have the links to everything for Beautyforever hair down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will speak to you in my next video. Bye, y'all.